Hello friends, this is your Arun from Rare Eye Travelers Freestyle Angler again. So yeah, with another adventurous trip at Rameshwaram, we headed back to another new spot. So at this spot, I found, you can see here one side there's a sunset like I mentioned, and another side it's gonna be a huge thunderstorm that's gonna happen, and the wind was extremely high. And yeah, so keeping that in mind, start walking on the jetty to reach the spot where I landed Baramundi on my last two trips. So yeah, when I was taking a walk, then I saw these huge, and I would say tons and tons of bait fishes across. So considering all these kind of bait fishes, I know for a fact that they all got pushed towards one corner, where there is not much water flow, or I would say current flow. So that is the whole reason. And looks like it's going to be a dead day for us in terms of fishing, because I know when you see this kind of a huge tons of fishes, for sure you'll not be able to catch anything. So we went there just to experience the feel and everything, and then we headed back to our stay. And yeah, we had to have our dinner. It was a buffet, and finally we finished Rameshwaram. We said, okay, let's head back from our Rameshwaram on the next day to another adventurous spots. So let's get into this video, and hopefully you guys enjoy this too.